Once again, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to cook a type of corn soup commonly known in the Philippines as Suam na Mais or Ginisang Mais. I know you know about corn soups, but not everyone knows how to prepare them the way we do it in the Philippines. And even if you are a Filipino, not everyone, especially those who grew up in cities with fast food diets, that we can cook it with leafy greens and meat. But for those who are new to home cooking, the Suam na Mais is fairly easy to cook. For a complete description of its ingredients, please check the description below this video. First, let's prepare the corn. Slice off the kernels from the ear of the corn using a sharp knife. Before we proceed, a word of caution. Be very careful using sharp knives. After slicing off all the kernels, take a spoon and scrape off all the pulps on each cob. That is the white and moist part that remains after slicing off the kernels. An old version of the Suam na Mais requires the cob to be boiled, but on this recipe, we are not going to use those corn cobs. So, let's start cooking. Heat up the pot with 1 tablespoon of canola oil. Start with the aromatics, that is the garlic and the onion. Saute the garlic first until golden brown. And next will be the onion, and saute until translucent. Now let's add the shrimp. Then we'll cover the pot and simmer it for 2 minutes. After simmering for 2 minutes, we'll remove those shrimps and set them aside. Now let's put the shrimp broth cube and stir the ingredients inside the pot until that broth cube melts. Now let's add the corn kernels in the mix. After mixing everything well, let's pour in the water. After everything is set, cover the pot and bring everything to boil. Usually, if you turn the stove's heat in full setting, boiling will occur at least within 5 minutes. When boiling starts, you will soon notice the scums will float around the surface. Remove them. Turn the heat to medium and simmer for 25 to 30 minutes. Now let's put the rest of the ingredients, starting from fish sauce, salt, ampalaya leaves, and let's put back the shrimp. Now, for the last time, let's simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, our Suam na Mais aka Ginisang Mais is now ready. The recipe we've just made serves 4 people with 226 calories per serving. Did you find the video helpful? Did you like and enjoy the Suam na Mais recipe? Do you have any suggestions? Then let us know your thoughts on the comments below. Also, we would really appreciate if you give us your love by liking the video, sharing it, and subscribing to the channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any future video uploads. Thank you for watching.